guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm here at the beach. So this beach is near Blackpool, and if you look over there you can sort of see Blackpool Tower and like the Blackpool Pier, and we're really lucky because the tide is coming back in, so we're going to have a little play on the beach and I'll show you some of my acro tricks. It's quite funny because we're actually like the only ones swimming in this sea for like miles and miles, and I actually can't see anybody else like swimming, but yeah, we saw a jellyfish earlier, so hope that's okay. But I love the beach so much, and I'm here with my sister and my nan and my dad, and yeah, I think it's Blackpool Beach, because Blackpool's really close, but yeah. So we've had a nice little play in the water, and now I'm going to practice some of my acro tricks on the sand. Right now I'm wearing my stunning Mackie swimwear navy blue tie-back costume, and I love it so much. So if you want to get one just like me, you can use the code in capital letters daisyt, and that'll give you 10% off your next purchase. I have had such a good time. Please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new post.